My name is Gabriela Guardia. I'm the Executive Director of Latinitas. Latinitas has a mission to empower girls and their communities through culturally relevant education, and we do this by offering a number of informal STEM learning experiences such as after-school clubs, summer camps, and conferences for students. Well, representation isn't just about optics, it's about opportunity and innovation. If we ever expect there to be real innovation in the tech sector, we need diverse perspectives, and we need women, especially women of color, to bring their culture, to bring their lived experiences into the workplace to inform new technologies that are going to shape our future. The barriers for women pursuing careers in technology are layered, and it starts at a very young age. For young women and girls, they are told you don't belong here in these spaces. They often lack access to a culturally affirming classroom where they feel like they can dive into these subjects. They may not see role models of women working in technology roles, and they may not know that those are opportunities available to them. And so we have to provide opportunities for these girls to meet women who look like them, who have shared lived experiences in the workplace so they can see it. You know, I always say, if you can see it, you can be it. And that's what Latinitas is aiming to do, is to provide mentorship and role models for these girls to know. And also career exploration is another key part of that, so they can learn about all the opportunities available to them in the tech sector. Well, we have a number of ways a student can plug into our programming. We have after-school clubs on a number of campuses here in Austin. We also have a summer camp with different themes from architecture and engineering to design. So there's many ways for students to plug into our programming and have really hands-on experiences in getting to meet these different role models from different careers. We're located in East Austin, where we host our summer camps for 5 weeks. And these are an annual occurrence, and we have different themes for students such as architecture chica, engineering chica, design, and media. And so there's a number of topics for students to get comfortable exploring STEAM in a really forgiving and exciting, fun space. And so, I really love the beauty of summer camp because it's free form, informal STEM learning. And I think play-based and project-based learning is really crucial to getting students excited about these careers. From my understanding, there's a large tech talent gap in cybersecurity, in prompt engineering for AI, and also big data analytics. And so we always say, I don't know what the jobs of the future are going to be, but if our students can be creative problem solvers, they're going to be prepared for the jobs of the future. But yeah, I'll specifically highlight, I think prompt engineering is going to be a huge talent gap for the next few years in Austin. And I think that's a huge opportunity for our students to get excited about how to manipulate AI to achieve, different goals for the sector. Latinitas has a wonderful technologist who has been implementing AI in a lot of automation to our operations in our programming. Latinitas uses a data vector in AI so that we can have conversations with a chatbot that helps us retrieve our data in a much faster and more efficient way. I think there's a lot of an alignment for this partnership, and I believe that we could work together to create meaningful pathways for our students to really see themselves pursuing these careers and figure out what kind of education and continued learning that they need to be able to access these careers. So I think there's a lot of opportunity between the organizations to partner and really flourish for women in the tech sector.